Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the Neewer 2-in-1. Basically a camera lens. It's got a wide angle plus a 15 times macro. Let's get her open here. Alright, just to preface this a little bit, this was only like $8 off Amazon. And so far I'm gonna say the overall presentation of this, I mean, I don't know how you are about the cardboard sleeve, but once we get in here, we got a plastic case. Take the top off there. All right. There's the camera lens. I mean, that's pretty nice looking in there. All right, so first off, let's see if we can get this in focus here. So we got the 15 times HD macro. Let's see if we can get this. This is probably gonna be a little difficult to. Oh, there we go. All right, and then there's the other 15mm 4K HD wide angle lens. I mean, look at that. Don't look too bad. Pretty decent looking. So we got lens. We got the cap for the lens. Wow, my lighting is really bad. Hold on a second. Is that better? I feel like that's a little better. All right. Then we got a little box here. Let's see what we got in here. All right. So we got a hood to put on the lens. It's just a rubber hood there. All right. Here's the clip, and where you screw the lens into this clip, and then basically this will tighten onto the iPhone then. Yeah. All right. It comes with a little bag, so you can put your lens in there. Not too bad. Comes with a little soft cloth, so you can wipe off the lens as well. All right, and I mean, that's it for the unboxing. All right, let's see if we can get this. I'm just kind of curious in what this hood looks like on here. Although this would probably be easier to put on once it's sitting on my iPhone, but right now that's what I'm using to record with. All right, so there's the lens with the hood on. Here, let's get it up against the desk so there's some. I mean, that's pretty cool. That looks all right. Look at that. Not too shabby. All right, first impressions of its look, at least. I mean, it looks legit, looks nice. See the lens in there, or the sensor in there. All right, let's switch over to the iPhone now and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so this is with the lens on. It's not as crazy as a fisheye lens, but it's got that kind of like that fisheye lens effect. You can see like the edge of my desk, it's kind of rounded off. I try to keep my hand as steady as I can and try to get this lens taken off so you guys can see the difference. All right, and that's with normal at the same height. All right, and then this is gonna be a pain. All right, and then there it is. Let's switch over to the macro lens and see what that looks like. About as close as we can get before it won't focus anymore. So, all right, now let's go ahead and throw the lens on there. And then let's see how close we can get. So we can get that right in on there. You can see his eye. I mean, that's pretty good. Let's see what we can do if we stand him up. Let's see what kind of effect we can get. We get in there nice and close. I mean, the cool thing with that too is you get that like bokeh in the background whenever you use a macro lens. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and little review of the Neewer 2-in-1. And just to summarize, this does have the 15 times macro lens. It has the wide angle lens as well. And I mean, the overall build quality of this guy, I mean, it feels really good. It's very well put together. I think the execution of this thing, I think it's really good. It's not too bad to screw together. It actually goes together pretty nice. The little hood here, I mean, it's really not that bad. It's really nice. The little clip fits really decent on the phone. It doesn't like slide all around, and it does have some nice like soft rubber here in the inside to help it from, keep it from scratching your phone. So if you guys were concerned with that, Neewer's got you covered there. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, I'm going to post a link down below for this. It is only $8, and I think specifically just for the macro lens, I think this is worth $8, just macro lens. If you look at other lenses out there, I mean, they're expensive. I used to have an Olo clip from my iPhone 6 Plus, and that thing was, what was it, like $100, $80, something like that. My Olo clip was a little bit better than this, but it's still not bad. It still gives you a different perspective. And that's really what a lot of these lenses do, is they just give you kind of a different perspective on what you're already able to shoot from your iPhone. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, go ahead and follow that link down below and go ahead and pick this guy up. And that's pretty much it for me, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button below. And also hit that bell icon, and that will notify you guys anytime I have any new videos posted. And if you guys were lucky enough, you may have seen a video that I didn't mean to post. It was actually a really old video. I like to say that I was the king of ums back then. If you watch my first video, it's a little brutal. It's a little brutal for me to watch some of my first videos. But it is what it is. I did have it posted for like a second. I took it back down. I didn't really want anyone to see that. It wasn't a horrible video, but just trying to think of my thoughts, I would say a lot, and it's just one of those verbal tics that you guys may also suffer from at times. So you just gotta kind of push through it and do your thing. So that's pretty much it for me, guys. So peace.